Hey there, this is Edward Dean, but you can call me Ted from 2Excel, and welcome to this video on how to have custom built software for your business at a low monthly rate. So just really quickly, this is the agenda and what we're going to go through. So who is 2Excel? What is it that we do? Also, after that, we're going to go through the advantages of having custom built software for your business, and then how the low monthly rate works and how you can get custom built software for your business at a very low monthly rate, and then an opportunity for you to learn some more. So first of all, 2Excel, who are we? We're a software and web development company based here in Adelaide, and we've been established since 2004. Here's a quick list of some of our clients that we deal with. So a couple of political parties, some larger corporations, UniSA, just to name a few. The list goes on longer than this, but this is just a quick overview of some of our clients. So the advantages of custom built software for your business. Well, to put simply, it is based down to simplicity, being able to create a software system that's specifically made for your individual business. Unlike most off-the-shelf software systems, or SaaS systems as many people refer to them, you need to construct or change the processes of your business to match the software. All right, so that's one of the challenges that many people face. The other thing as well, you end up with lots of a busy screen with lots of information that you don't end up using, and that can cause confusion and less uptake within your staff and reduce productivity. The other challenge as well, in a lot of cases, the system that you get doesn't do everything that you need it to do. Now, what that means is you then need to go out and buy another system to do, let's say, warehouse management, because you've got your sales system over here, which does all your quotes and your sales, and then you've got your warehouse management system over here to do something else. That's two systems that you need to use, two processes that you need to change within your business, and also you run the risk of double handling between these two systems because they may not talk to each other. And if they do talk to each other, if one system does an update, it could potentially break that connection between the two because the update is no longer compatible with the other system that you're using. And then you need to wait for them to fix the problem that they've got, and so forth. So having a system specifically built for your business means that we can take away the things that you don't use and put into it what you do use on a regular basis. The other thing as well is you no longer have a system that you need to change your business processes to make work. We're now building the system based around your business and the way in which you do things, therefore streamlining everything for you. You have greater staff uptake because they're already familiar with the processes that you're already doing, and you've got less double handling from one system to the next, and also you drastically decrease the chance of corrupt data between the two systems as well. So that's the advantage. I mean, it all comes down to simplicity, making it easy for you to run your business on a day-to-day basis and have access to the information that you want on a regular basis. So the challenge is, in the past, is a custom-built software system for your business has potentially been out of reach because it's not the cheapest process to go through, and that's where what we've got to offer really comes into play. And the way to think of it is, when you're coming in looking to purchase your system or have your system built, think of it like a van that you're putting together for a plumber. Basically, a van could be $40, $50, $60, $100,000 to put together, to buy the van and all the equipment that you need in it. Now, you usually don't buy that upfront out of the pocket, with money that you've got sitting in your pocket. So you put it onto a lease for, let's say, 5 years. When the lease is over, you can keep that van. You no longer pay those monthly payments. Or if it needs an upgrade, then you trade the van in and you get a new one and start a brand new lease. So as a photocopier, not many businesses nowadays go out and purchase a photocopier outright. They pay it off on a lease over 5 years or so, or they pay per copy. And so when it comes to custom built software, then think of it in that kind of way. You're leasing this software system. So for example, let's say you have a system built for about $35K. Over 5 years, that's only $583 per month. Now, what we've found is at that rate, it's very much comparable to a lot of systems you'd buy off the shelf anyway, which haven't been specifically built for your business. So for example, we may have a 5-person organization and they require a customer relations management system, CRM system, and marketing system for their business. Now, the comparable off-the-shelf type systems that you've got out there would be something like, let's say, like Salesforce. All right, so Salesforce is $210 for their preferred or most popular plan per month per user. So if you've got 5 users within the business or 5 people within the business, that's just over $1,000 American or US, which is around $1,400 in this exchange rate. And so that's $1,400. So as you can see in this example, we're a lot less than what you'd pay for an off-the-shelf system that may not do everything that you need it to do. Another comparable one would be HubSpot. That's about just once again over $1,000 per month for up to 1,000 contacts. Now, this is the beautiful thing about having a system built for you. Your business can grow and you can put more staff on, and you're not paying per person. All you're doing is paying that monthly investment each month for your system because it's your system. The other thing as well, if you do go over 1,000 contacts, you don't pay any more. All right, so you've got the capacity to be able to grow your business with freedom without having to increase your costs and overhead because of the operating systems that you're using. Last one, Infusionsoft. So this is relatively comparable. So US dollars, you're looking at around $379 for 5 users, and you've got around 10,000 contacts that you can have, which is roughly about $500. So it's comparable. All right, but once again, Infusionsoft may not do everything the way that you want it. It may not give you all the information that you want, and may not track everything that you want to track. All right, and that's where we've got the advantage on custom building something exactly the way that you need it. All right, so that is a quick overview on how everything works, why you'd want to go down the path of having a system built specifically for your business. But there's lots of questions, and here is a list of the most frequently asked questions that we have. So if you want to learn more, fill in your details in the form provided, and then we will continue this video and go through our most frequently asked questions. So pop your details in the form that's provided, and we'll go through some more information in a great deal more detail. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye for now.